everyone, it's Melody Lane here, and I'm going to show you the canvases in the new Cricut Design Space 2.0. Okay, I have to be a little honest. I don't normally use the canvases, so I'm not quite sure what is different about these now. I do know they had problems with some of them. You couldn't change the size of things. Now they have it all fixed. Okay, I'm going to scroll down so you can see some of the different canvases. I'm not sure, like I said, this is not something I normally use. And I'll show you what they're used for. Okay, let's click on this one. Now, this is just used to size. I have to go over here and go to canvas. This is a woman's short sleeve shirt. We could do a men's short sleeve shirt. And we can change the size. We do not have to hit apply anymore. See, it's getting bigger. Let's zoom out. Zoom is down here. And let's add these. So the reason for the canvas is if you want to put something on the shirt, you'll know what it will look like on the shirt. You can change the color of the shirt. So if you want to put something, let's put some text up here. Okay. We know that might be a little too small for the shirt, but maybe this will fit. Now, when we hit go, that is where that's going to be. It's not going to be the whole shirt cutting out. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so let's show some other things. Let's go back to set canvas. Let me show you something that I have not seen before that I thought would be a great idea, because in my last craft room, I took all of these switch plates off my wall and I changed them. There it is. So let's zoom back in, back over here. Let's take this hello out of the way. So let's just change the color so we can see it better. Now, you can change that. You can totally decorate these with vinyl or paper. I actually put wrapping paper on mine in zebra print. You can have the double switch. You can have the rocker switches. You could do custom and do them in your own size if you have special ones. And it works. You don't have to click apply anymore. Let's go back and change another one. These banners are very useful. But like I said, they will not cut out the banner. Okay? That's where some people are confused. Okay, let's ungroup it in the layers panel. So you can use this to size. But these purple banners will not cut out. If you want to cut out the banners, then you have to go into Insert Images and find the shape and set those up. That's kind of why I don't use the canvas, because I just cut out the shape and stuff. Like the cards. There's cards you can choose. And there is also basic shapes if you just want to see something. Sometimes people use these for a 12 by 12 mat. Let's go to canvas. So they can size everything within the 12 by 12. Or you could do 11.5 by 11.5 so you know it will be in the cutting range of the mat. Let's look at some other things. There's shoes. Okay, guys, let's get you out of the way. So let's see the shoes. Now these are baby shoes. You can change them to women's shoes. And what size? Oh my gosh, look how big. You can make size 12 women's. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to toddler. So you can see this is the tongue of the shoe. So if you wanted something on here, it'll show you the size of the tongue and everything else. So that's kind of fun. If you do a lot of vinyl or decorating clothes and decorating objects, there's candles, there's canisters, there's cards. But like I said, the cards are just a card. It's not going to cut this out. It will only use this. You can choose what size card you want to do. You can choose how it folds. So if you're cutting a bunch of images, you can size them to fit on your card. You could just add a rectangle with a score line. So I wanted to show you how these all fit. Look, there's even dog sweaters. There's lockers. There's ties. There's so much. You could do one for your iPad or Kindle. There's the iPads. And then there's different Kindles also. So that is the set canvas. If you decide you don't want a set canvas, just go ahead and click back to the blank canvas. That is it for the canvases. You can, as soon as you guys can get into Design Space, go in there and look at all of the options you have. There's so much you can decorate. All right, guys, I love you. I'll see you in the next video. First, here's a shout out to a few of my supporters on Patreon. Love you guys. Bye. Sissy Tyler, Melinda Spurlock, Jeannie Blender, Tammy Vonderheide, Carrie Parrish, Dee Jones, Fern Nissenbaum, Terry Gent, Roxana Padilla, Jean Oakes, Ann Weedman, Annie Crafty, Tracy Reynolds, Susan Simonette, and Melissa Roof. Thanks, guys.